Hello everyone and welcome back to the Adore Beauty YouTube channel. If we haven't met before, my name is Amelia and I am a skincare educator, I am a beauty content creator, and I've also been a makeup artist for the last 13 years. So I've worked with various skincare brands in their education departments, and I'm also a self-confessed product and beauty junkie. So in today's video, we are going to be discussing the brand Foreo, and we're going to be going through 3 of their hero products, and we're going to chat all about them and suss out which ones are going to be the best for you. So let's get stuck into it. Alrighty, so the brand Foreo hails from Sweden, and they are known for creating really amazing high-tech beauty devices. So they're big in the beauty and wellness industry. So they do everything from cleansing devices, masking, LED devices. They also have ones for your teeth, like they have a toothbrush, they have a product for blemishes, they do a whole bunch of different devices. And the ones that we're going to be talking about are the Luna 3, which is a cleansing device, the Bear, which is a microcurrent device, and then lastly, the UFO 2, which is a masking and LED device. The first one we're going to talk about is the Luna 3. So this is the 3rd generation of their cleansing devices. These come in 4 different types. You have this one here, which is for normal skin, and they're all color coded as well. So the pink one is for normal skin. You have the purple one, which is for sensitive skin. The blue one is for combo, and they also have a men's one, which is black. So each of the Foreo devices use the brand's signature T-sonic pulsations, and so that translates to transdermal pulsations. And that's basically where the device will send a vibration down into the skin, and it's meant to help with reducing the appearance of wrinkles. It's meant to relieve muscle tension and give you an overall more glowy, bright, smoother appearance. So this cleanser has the T-sonic pulsations. It also links up to an app on your phone, and you can decide on how you want to cleanse your skin, the kind of routine that you want to have, and then also the strength of the vibrations and the pulsations that you have on your face as you're cleansing. So how I like to use this is I will dampen my face first, or you can dampen the device because it is water resistant. I smooth my cleanser on, I'll turn on the device, and it will start to vibrate. And then I'll just kind of work it into my skin. So this is really good. I personally will use this just at nighttime, but you can use it day and night. It doesn't really matter. But for me, when I'm using it at nighttime, that's usually when I'm doing more of my intensive skincare routines. So I'll take a little bit more time, and that's when I'll do more of my deep cleanse, because I've been wearing makeup and skincare and my sunscreen throughout the day. This one just cleanses your skin really thoroughly. I find with the T-sonic pulsations, it's almost like it's really wiggling the dirt out of your skin, and I find that it's not exfoliating, but my skin is definitely a lot more smooth than if I had cleansed it with just my hands. And so as I said before, the Luna 3 is available in 4 colors altogether, depending on what your skin is like, and it retails for $299. Next up, we have the UFO 2. So this is the 2nd generation of their UFO device. So what this is for is basically to give you a whole masking facial experience in 90 seconds. So this combines the benefits of one of their sheet masks with full spectrum LED. It has thermotherapy, cryotherapy, and then also the T-sonic pulsations. This one also links up with the brand's app, and when you use it, it plays music, like meditation music, and it takes you through a whole spa experience. So this one retails for $395, and for me, this is worth every penny, because whenever I use this, I find that my skin is just glowing, it's smoother, it's super hydrated, and I just enjoy the overall experience of using this. So with this one, the way that you use it is, firstly, you have to have the Foreo masks, because these are specially designed to fit onto the plate on the UFO. So you're meant to start on clean, dry skin. You take out one of the masks. Using your phone, you scan the barcode on the back of the sheet mask, and it automatically brings up a specific routine that you're meant to do with the UFO 2. So you scan it, you place the mask on, and then you get going.
Relax and enjoy a soothing facial massage as T-sonic pulsations infuse moisture into your skin for a radiant, healthy-looking complexion.
It also uses cryotherapy. So this is one of the updates from the original UFO. And so what cryotherapy is meant to do is this will kind of cool your skin, and it's meant to kind of shrink your pores or reduce the appearance of your pores. So this is really good for somebody who has more visible pores and is also prone to breakouts. I personally use a lot more of the thermotherapy and the red LED light and the green LED light because I really enjoy using it to hydrate my skin and give me more of those kind of anti-aging, anti-pollution benefits. I love to use this maybe once a week or twice a week because this is a really efficient way of masking, as it's only 90 seconds, and it's also just a really enjoyable experience. And it also comes in 3 colors. I have the fuchsia, and you can get it in mint and also baby pink. Okay, and last but not least, we have the Bear. So the Bear is the brand's microcurrent device, and if you aren't familiar with what microcurrent devices do, they basically stimulate the cells and they break them down so that they grow back stronger, so that your face is more lifted and toned and looking snatched. So this particular device has the T-sonic pulsations like the other ones, but it also has the microcurrents. What's unique about this particular device is that it actually has an anti-shock system. And so what it does is 100 times a second, it actually assesses your skin's resistance so that it knows not to shock your skin. Basically, everybody has different tolerances with their skin. This one is also ergonomically designed, so it fits the contours of your face really comfortably. And it also pairs up with the app so that you can either have a treatment that you follow on your phone, or you can just press the button on the back and do your own kind of routine. So the way that you use this is you go on clean, dry skin, and then you would follow it with their serum, which acts as a conducting gel. So you don't have to use the one from the brand. You can use any hydrating gel serum or even an oil, I've heard, but I've only ever used a hydrating serum. So you'll do a little bit of that, you'll smooth it on, and you'll get going with the device. So you should see on the screen now me using it. This is something that I would do once a week because when you use it consistently, you are going to reap the benefits of it. It is going to give you a more lifted, toned face. You are going to look a lot more glowy. And for me, I was using it a lot through my jaw because I do experience jaw pain from clenching my teeth during the night and during the day. So it really did help to kind of work those muscles out. And when you're doing it, you just feel better about yourself and like you're really doing something to help your face and help with anti-aging, which is always great. So this one retails for $395. So if you want a more lifted, youthful, toned appearance to your skin, then I would say that this is definitely worth it. Now that I have it, I'm glad that I do, and I can't ever see myself living without a microcurrent device. Okay, and that about wraps up this video. So I hope this really helped you to figure out which Foreo device is going to be best for you. You could be like me and have all of them, or you might just pick one. All of these devices are available on adorbeauty.com, and if you want a little bit more detailed information about them, it's all on the website. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, and you can always pop a comment down below and ask any questions and we will get back to you. Thanks for watching. I will see you in another video soon. Thanks guys, bye.